Hello students, welcome to Sri Jain Rank Zone. So basically in today lecture, we are going to discuss about the physical properties of amines. So the first physical property we are going to discuss about amines is the state and smell. So basically lower members of aliphatic amines are gas. So you can write. So we are going to discuss about the physical properties. We are going to discuss about the physical properties physical properties of amines. So in the physical property of amines, first we are going to discuss about the state of amines and the smell of amine. So basically lower members lower members of aliphatic amines, lower members of aliphatic amines are gases, while while the higher amines are liquid. While the higher amines while the higher amines are liquid in nature. So lower amines are gas in nature and the higher amines are liquid in physical state. And aromatic amines can be liquids or solids in nature. So you can write aromatic amines. Aromatic amines can be either either solid, or liquid. So aromatic amine can be either solid or liquid in nature. So next we are going to discuss about the next property of amine, the next physical property of amine. So if you want the smell, so basically amines having the fish like smell. So methylamine, and if you want to discuss about the smell, so methylamine and ethylamine, this comes in the category of lower amines. So methylamine and ethylamine have fish like smell. So these are basically fish like smell. These amines have basically fish like smell, you can say. So the next we are going to discuss about next physical property, we are going to discuss about the boiling point. See, boiling point in case of amines. So the next physical property related to amine is the boiling point. Now see how we can discuss about the boiling point. So basically primary amine, 1 degree amine and 2 degree amine, these amines are capable of forming hydrogen bonding. So you can say primary and secondary amine are capable of forming intermolecular intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So these are basically capable of forming intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So due to hydrogen bonding, these have high boiling point. So because in 1 degree amine and 2 degree amine, it can form intermolecular hydrogen bonding, therefore it has high boiling point. So in the same way, you can also discuss about some of the basic properties of amine also. So you can discuss the basic properties of amines also. You can discuss the basic strength. So basically you can discuss about the basic strength. So if you want to discuss about the boiling point also, if we have compound like cs3, ch2 and h2, this compound is there, and the another compound is ch3, ch2, nh and ch3, and the another compound is ch3n CH3 and CH3. These three CH3 groups are there. So you can see the boiling point of 1 degree amine will be highest. The boiling point of 1 degree amine will be highest. Why boiling point of 1 degree amine is highest? Because in this 1 degree amine, because in this 1 degree amine there are two hydrogen atoms. So these two hydrogen atoms will form hydrogen bonding. While in 2 degree amine there is only one hydrogen atom, and hydrogen is absent in 3 degree amine. So hydrogen is absent in 3 degree amine. So higher boiling point in case of 1 degree amine, higher boiling point in case of 1 degree amine. So it is close to 323 Kelvin. It is close to 323 if you can number this 1, 2 and 3. So the order of boiling point will be, the order of boiling point will be highest boiling point for 1 degree amine, then for 2 degree amine, while in the case of 3 degree amine hydrogen is absent. While in case of 3 degree amine hydrogen is absent. So this is basically the correct order of boiling point. This is the correct order of boiling point of amines. Correct order of boiling point of amines. You can see the value also. The boiling point of this compound is basically, the boiling point of this compound is basically 323 Kelvin, while the boiling point of this compound is basically 307 Kelvin, and the boiling point of this compound is basically 276 Kelvin. 276 Kelvin. So you can compare the, so if you want to write the explanation also, so you can write explanation also there. You can say tertiary amine do not have, tertiary amines, tertiary amines do not, tertiary amines do not have, tertiary amines do not have hydrogen attached with nitrogen. So you can say tertiary amines do not have any nitrogen hydrogen bond, any nitrogen hydrogen bond. So they are unable to form, so they are unable to form, they are unable to form hydrogen bonding. They are unable to form hydrogen bonding, you can say. So they are unable to form hydrogen bonding. Therefore they have lowest boiling point. Therefore they have lowest boiling point. So 3 degree amine have lowest boiling point because they are not capable of forming hydrogen bonding. So the next physical property is basically the solubility. So the next physical property is solubility of amine. Solubility of amine. So solubility of amine is also related to the hydrogen bonding. So you can say the lower aliphatic amines, the lower aliphatic amines, the lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. So lower aliphatic amines are soluble, lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because lower aliphatic amines can form hydrogen bond easily. So lower aliphatic amines can form hydrogen bond easily. So we can say the lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water due to their capability to form, due to their capability due to their capability to form hydrogen bonding. So capability to form hydrogen bond, capability to form hydrogen bond. So they are forming hydrogen bond basically with water. So the lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water due to their capability to form hydrogen bond with water. So as the size of alkyl groups increases, so you can say as the size of as the size of as the size of alkyl group as the size of alkyl group increases, so you can say as the size of alkyl group as the size of alkyl group increases, hydrophobic part increases. Hydrophobic means water repelling. So hydrophobic means water repelling. As the size of alkyl group increases, hydrophobic part hydrophobic part increases. So hydrophobic part increases, therefore solubility, solubility in water, decreases. Therefore solubility in water decreases. So, in the same way, aromatic amines are also insoluble in water because of large carbon atom part. So you can also write similarly aromatic amines. Similarly, aromatic amines, you can say similarly aromatic amines are insoluble in water. Aromatic amines are insoluble in water. Aromatic amines are insoluble in water. So these are basically insoluble in water. So why these aromatic amines are insoluble in water? Due to the bulky size of the bulky size is hydrophobic in nature. Bulky size of carbon atoms, bulky size of carbon atom is hydrophobic in nature. Hydrophobic in nature, you can say. So basically they are soluble in ether, alcohol and benzene. So they are insoluble in water, but they are soluble in ether, alcohol and benzene. But they are soluble, in alcohol, ether and benzene because of like dissolves like property, because of like dissolves like property. So the nature of aromatic amines basically matches with the nature of aromatic amines matches